Gotta see things, see new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget.
We are in Temple, which is a food place, and I'm about to eat crocodile curry. So what have you done today?
Went swimming, ate some lunch, ate breakfast, bunch of stuff.
Bunch of stuff. Did you get a new dress? Yeah, and new shoes. We can show them. There we go, new shoes as well. So Tilly's had a good day. And it's time to order. What beers do they have, baby? Do they have Siem Reap Light?
They've got lots, but they haven't got...
Siem Reap, fine.
Oh, they've got Cambodian beer on draft.
Okay. Hi there, you ready to order? We've never been to Siem Reap. First of all, you should come. Secondly, there's a place called Pub Street, which, well, we came here 9 years ago and it was literally pretty much a street. Now it's a whole area. And the quality of the restaurants and the bars here is superb, absolutely superb. This is basically Thailand. If you like Thailand, this is Thailand without the sleaze. I think that's the best way to describe it. The quality of service here is good, quality of the food is good. Big drink selection. It's a lively place, it's very nice. So we're going to have a good time. One of the things I've noticed in Siem Reap already is that the quality of the design of the bars and the restaurants is very, very high. Here they really hit it out the park. I love that beer tap, Spencer. So this is crocodile curry, and this is what?
This is a local dish, it's a pork dish, and I cannot pronounce it.
Okay, and that is a magnificent
Crocodile pizza.
crocodile pizza. That looks fabulous. Okay, so let's get the camera on me because I'm the star of this show.
Oh my god. Before you try your curry and your taste buds won't work anymore.
That's a huge chunk of your meat.
It's pork. It just melts in your mouth.
Rice in here, and then we get eating. So, crocodile curry and rice,
Good, isn't it?
which we're going to look at, I guess. Let's get the camera down. There we go. Look at that.
Don't talk to the mouthful, wait till you're finished.
Oh, that is a seriously good Thai style, very Thai style curry, which is not surprising because Thailand and Cambodia are very much connected. But that's a nice coconut flavoury curry. Oh, look at those bread buns.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yes, this is for all of us. This is a crocodile food.
Are these just plain buns?
Yes, they're plain buns. Would you like to try some of this meat? Chicken skewer, just so that you're not going to eat until you wait for yours to come.
I'm okay.
They're terrible.
So good.
Look at this. Good mummy's eating crocodile. I'm eating crocodile. Do you think we'd eat crocodile if it's horrible? Oh my god. Tough, but tasty. Want to try a bit of this? It's very, very nice. Very Thai flavour. Okay, a bit of meat. Oh, baby. That catch you off guard.
What was it?
It does, but it takes your breath away the first time you get it. Is that right? Good, isn't it? Very coconutty. Lots of greenery.
Anything I like, lemongrass. How's yours?
So really, yeah, I want to watch me eating. I'm not just going to do a restaurant review. But you really can't go wrong if you eat local or eat the more expensive pub street type places. The food here is very good. I'll keep recording just in case I come up with anything of any interest.
What about the local beers?
Ankle beer is fine.
Yeah, me too.
Wow! What have you got? And chips. You know what happens over there?
You fall for that every time.
Huh?
You fall for that every time.
What?
Look over there and then somebody steals your chips.
It happened. It really happened, silly. Temperature's actually been quite good today. It's not been crazy hot. Got a bit humid when it's about to rain. I quite like this, baby. It's alright. Is that a tomato? Is that a tomato?
Yes, it's tomato. And
Can I have that?
Fresh bread, and it's crunchy and it's beautiful. There's another one hiding here as well.
Would you like Mummy to chop that up for you?
Oh god. I love a good matto. For a young lady, Wiener Schnitzel and fries. So, one of my favourite things in Thailand is mango sticky rice. I honestly can say that this Cambodian version of mango sticky rice is absolutely there. Not impressed. There's 3 of us here who all love mango sticky rice, and none of us really think much of this. So that might be something. If you're a fan of mango sticky rice in Thailand, this is completely different. Siem Reap night market, or at least one of them. No photo.
In the woven multicolored, that's so beautiful.
That staircase is beautiful.
And you got to be on camera and you got to be like, do it.
Yeah,
Hit that like and subscribe button. To
absolutely.
Silver Fox.